Hi guys, I know in my last video I didn't explain what this thing is. I don't know if you know, but I have an underbite. That means I bite with my jaw forward more. And that's why I got this weird technique on. But I got here to my dad's house and I have all of my Roombas. I had 2 at my mom's house, and I brought them here, and I got the i7. And I think this is the 830. Let me switch it around. I have been making test items for a while, and let me just press this button. That is all I did. Let me. Yes, there's dog hair. There's dog hair because the darn dog at my mom's house sheds like 50,000 hairs per millisecond. So when I get back on there next week, there's like gallons of hair. It looks like someone just bought gallons of hair and just poured it on the floor. Anyways, that's the above. I'm on my iPad, everybody, so that's why. Okay, let me show you my Roombas. I bet you already saw this. Let me turn it on so you can see the lights. That's dun dun dun. If you know this soccer, this is my dad's and his friend's soccer. There's the clean button. Dun. It's charging because I just had it run because I spilled the bag. There is a spot clean, a schedule, a clock. I just got a notification. This button that's blank right here, right there, is the dock. Let me show you. Sorry. That was the Roomba. So as you can see, it says dock right there. Press it and it'll go home. And they're both. I only have iRobots, so if you like and subscribe, that would help out, and I would buy more test items and Roombas. Speaking of Roombas, like and subscribe. Helps out the channel. I don't know I said that, just please. My goal is 50 subscribers. Anyways, yes, there's rubber bands in there if you saw that. Let's go! Whee! Yes, I do have a mansion that I'm gonna show you the mansion a little bit. Okay. It's kind of dark. Let me go turn on the light. I'm gonna go turn on the light. This is my library. This is the dressing room. We just got a piano, and that Roomba way over there, the Roomba that I just showed you was used. Big basement, the hallway, hallway bathroom, my room, my dad's room. I'm making a YouTube video. I'm gonna test them in a sec. Okay, let's turn on the light. Sorry if this video is pretty long. This is my first Roomba video. I'm kind of excited. Bow down, and yes, there's the same sticker. Then these boats from my Titanic birthday party. An astronaut on a donut for some reason. Self-made, this was self-made by my own hands. If you like it, comment down below if you like it or not. there's my little astronaut friend that I made. Oh, by the way, I'm blonde. Let me show you. I'm blonde. It looks like I have dark hair, but I'm pretty blonde in real life. So, it kind of looks like me. And then there's there's the junkie room, but this is the i7 830, where this is like right by the staircase. So if this little junky one right here turns on, this cord comes out, the charging cord comes out, and that's basically how they work. If you watch Adam Tech reveals, he has one that doesn't even have anything. It only has this wheel right here, and then like a wheel down here, and it does not clean. But if this one jumps, it's gonna go down there. So another YouTuber I recommend to, I know my name is Nate Dynast, that's my YouTube channel. But there's another YouTube channel that's my dad's, because that's my dad's name. Anyways, let's turn him on. There's a home button and a clean button and a spot clean button. Right now on my iPad, I have this iRoomba app. If you want to see the iRoomba app, I will go get it on my dad's very first phone. Kind of cool, right? I'm talking weird. Should I take this off? I'm taking it off. Face rubbing. All of my videos taken in one day, by the way. If you were wondering where I was in the next 2 hours ago, I was in Casper. I live in Sheridan. It hurts. Who wants to see my extender? I'm just gonna. I don't know if you saw that middle, but that was my extender. That thick part right in there, the middle, where I put a key and it pulls my jaw. Just goes. Anyways, there it is. There. It's an Apple phone, pretty old. That was me when I was a baby. And if you hold on to this, there's a little video. I just jump. Whee! Yeah, okay. Anyways, stop playing, Declan. Oh, I'm already on the map. See? Right here. I'm on the app already. I was just thinking that. Okay, who wants this? I'm gonna put the rice on the floor in a bit. Sorry if this video's long, but it's been 8 minutes so far. Anyways, I don't know if you've seen videos, but there's just in a store. I don't know if you saw the Bravo Jet and J7 series. My dad won't get me in trouble because anyways, let me just do something. If you want to see the roof or pitch black, I bet you want to see the roof. Actually, one sec. I'm gonna have to leave you just for a second. Okay, I was just letting my dad hold it. I'm gonna pour rice all over the dining room. We got a backup push vacuum over there plugged in. It's kind of weird, but this is a cordless, and I'm just letting it basically charge. Okay, my dad should be here any second. I'm gonna start up this guy first, and then bring these Roombas, carry him on here, see how good they do. And dun dun dun! If you don't know what this is, I have a rubber band around it just so it doesn't break. Is that too close? Sorry. So, on the bottom mode, it's a little pillar with a circle around it. The circle makes like a little circle, so the Roomba, you can see in this picture, the Roomba right there, it's blurry. Let me put the rubber band off. I don't. See, the Roomba is turning away. Then this straight line one, that's my Roomba. Sorry. It's just finding its way back home. That, right, and then that makes a little border so that any iRobot Roomba will not go there. So that thing will not go there. And yes, that little junky one will do stuff. Dad, hurry up! Yes, this iRobot. So that's the tower itself. Let me turn it. Okay.
Are you getting hungry?
Bruh. Okay, you're just gonna have to hold it and hold it just like this angle. No, you're putting your finger on the camera. Ding on. Okay, let's start. I feel like Adam the tech materials could erase and stuff all over his floor.
That's probably good, buddy.
Okay. Now let's start up the Roombas. The star of the show for us. The best Roomba and the worst Roomba first. And then the kind Roomba. Okay. I guess you wanted to go first. I didn't even press clean. Well, better luck, queen. I'm gonna have to go get the app. Dad, see it? Where's the little guy? No, you do not have a dog. You do not have a dog. You're not a good enough Roomba. You don't rub your dog. And guys, this is not an i7 Plus. This does not have a self-emptying ring. That one does not even have. These weren't even invented. All Roombas came out. They didn't even have the app back then. So that's why it has clock and schedule on there. we don't have an app. Look at Ison pushing his little bird. It's cleaning away. It's almost already clean, Dad. It's almost already clean.
You hold it.
Okay. Bye, Dad.
Bye, buddy.
Who wants to see how good this little guy is? The star of the show. I'm just joking. This guy sucks. That's his bin. Empty. Completely empty. The star of the show. Ooh, 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 oh. I'm gonna have to get that honey cake thing. I'm gonna try to find a place for the iPad to lean against. Take that pillow. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm just gonna hold it, I guess. Now, Flip, how are you doing? Come here. Oh. This one's winning. At the end of this video, when they clean it all up, I will show you something. Look at all this is brown, long grain lines. Next video, I will probably do like 20 pounds of rice. I'm just joking. But this is like this is like a half a pound of rice. Probably like 2 pounds of rice next video. Deal? Because look at that's all. Sorry. That's all we have right there. If you're still watching, please watch to the end. Here, he says, like and subscribe, please, he says. Okay, who wants to see how good this guy does? This guy has some rollers that... Let me flip it over just so you can see. This guy... Sorry. This guy is the same roller on each one, just different colors. Let me go get the i7. The star of the show. I'll show you the star of the show. Yes, when we got this used old Roomba. So, see? See, that's the same. This is the same. Well, it has the same thing. This one loosens the dirt. And this one lifts even easier. This one loosens. This one lifts. Right here that I'm pointing at. And this is the difference. Sorry if it's so blurry. I'll try to shift my settings back in there. There we go. That's the difference. Let's see how much they do. The flipping room. Sorry guys. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little shiny spot. I'm gonna have to finish this up real quick because my iPad is dying. So I'm just gonna start the Roombas all back up. I don't have time to look at the bins. It's not starting. Goodness gracious. What if we do spot clean? The Roombas are officially starting. I just got the dad's old phone. Next video, we'll probably do a lot of rice on the floor. Oh, great. The Roombas are alive! The Roombas are alive! They're both on spot clean, so they're cleaning a certain spot. That's what it means. They're cleaning a certain spot for a while. So, I'm thinking. These Roomba, we might have to cut the video somehow. One sec. I'm just running too much. Anyways, here's the Roombas in the spot clean. The little brat getting pushed around. His big brother thinks he's a brat, which is true. Who wants me to fast forward this? I'm gonna fast forward it. This guy finished, so we're gonna turn this guy back on. I don't know actually how to fast forward. I just tried looking it up, and that's way too hard. Sorry. What the flip? Look at these little tiny specks of ice. Let me go nosedive on the floor. See all that rice? There's only one Roomba running right now, and he's smart. Guy 7's starting. Hear that? Should we? I'm gonna let the little turd still go because I think he's actually helping the Roombas just by picking up specks of dirt. But I don't really think these Roombas are gonna finish it, so might have to use that. Okay, I'm gonna go get the other vacuum. Be there in a sec. Wait a minute, I just noticed something. I can do something. So I'm on a sugar rush. If they go in your video, you'll see them. Just see you now. Huh. Look at the little turd go. One second, guys. Roomba's attacking! Do an attack, Roomba! The Roomba attacked you guys! Silly Roomba. Gravity works like this. Gravity works like that. Sorry if this video is really long, guys, but this is my first video, so first Roomba video, not my very first Roomba. Not my very first. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just losing my mind, guys. I'm just so excited to get diamond play buttons because this is my dream. 'Cause I love YouTube. I thought I was watching. I was watching on tech reviews, and I just love Roombas. My favorite thing is probably to do with Roombas. There's a couple kids out there that also have Roomba tests. So I thought, they get a lot of subscribers and likes. And our family's pretty poor. And I'm going to give a lot of money to myself, buy a lot of Roombas, hug. I don't know how to hug you through a camera, so I just hug the camera. This is my iPad, by the way, so I'm not... If you want gaming videos, you can have gaming videos. You deserve them because you're so nice and fancy. I'm just saying things. Well, I'm gonna go back to vacuuming. This is my dream for YouTube. The cute little brat. I will do as many tests as my mom's house. Because she's pretty mad if I do tests at her house. So I'm gonna at Dad's house. I'll probably make the gaming video. I'll probably make the gaming videos like when I'm at my mom's house or something. So, okay, I'm putting my i7 off. I'm gonna wrap up these Roombas and show you how much they sucked up, and then show how you should get the Shark Vertex handhold vacuum. And I have been watching Adam Tech Review, guys. That guy. Don't ever get a Shark Roomba. Don't ever get one, okay? They suck. Only if you have like little incy-wincy dog hairs all over your house. That's mostly what they're good for. Okay, I'm gonna go get their dustbins. This guy has never sucked up rice before. Look at that. Look at that. Come here. Come here, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This guy has never sucked up rice. Hey, you know it was empty at the start of the test. So we're gonna plug this guy back in. And while we're over there, let's get the i7 bin. Oh, this is so cute. The Roombas. I just love Roombas. If you see a kid or someone that knows that that you know that has a Roomba, comment what street you live on. We'll go hunting for those Roombas, okay? Like and subscribe. And hopefully this was a good video. I know it's 29 minutes almost, but it's worth it, guys, right? Who's with me? Comment if you think that's true. I know it said comment down below. Just comment down below anything by now. I'm just losing my mind. Look at all. I put down so much paper, you can barely see it because all the paper, sorry, let me turn this around. All that paper is in there. That's all paper. Let's see if it sucked up anything. I think it was just pushing it around. Only if it sucked up so much, I can't even tell. So let's go get the other vacuum, Roomba. And then we can look at the Shark Vertex. And we can wrap up this video. I'll make another one tomorrow. No, school's tomorrow. So probably when my babysitter comes over / my cousin babysitter. So yeah, I'm gonna do the Shark Vertex. Whoa, there's a lot of sun. Lots of sun. And this is how big a bin is. From the outside it looks huge, but it's pretty small on the inside. Oh, I hear a lot of jiggles. I'm gonna dump it on the floor. I'm just joking, I'm not gonna do that. It got nothing. Where is all the rice? It got 0% rice. Where is all the rice? Where is the rice? Is the suction that bad? Where's the rice? There's barely anything in there. Is it so bad? Did I break the Roomba when I sucked up the paper? I mean the Shark Vertex or vacuum. To check this guy out. See what happened. Oh, it's really hot. Ow, that hurt. That's not. I don't see any clues of rice. So something did. And there's a whoa. Okay, I'm watching a Roomba video right now. It's been on before I even started this YouTube video. So it's like been like 15 minutes long right now. Whoa, time goes by fast. It's already been another 10 minutes. Jeez. There goes the i7. He's finding his dock again. Because I don't put it on the darn dock proper. Why? Okay. I know you saw the i7. I love the i7. But I think I changed my mind just tiny. This is how this old Roomba with 0 IQ got even more than the i7. What the heck, i7? Like, what the heck? Even see that string? I don't know if you can see that string. Like right there, the string. That was not there. And this was completely empty last time. The paper was not from the test. I tested it before I started the darn video. Anyways, my backyard is going to be shown. It will make, if you like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite kind of Roomba is, or whatever, what kind of brand. And we'll start making more videos tomorrow. Or we can make another video in the next, like, right after I eat dinner. I'm going to probably make another video because I love YouTube. Anyways, see you later. Like and subscribe. Just please, I pray for you to like and subscribe. If you like and subscribe to me, I might give you a Roomba when I grow up. For free. Actually, like for $1. And they're like for like thousands and thousands, maybe even millions and billions of dollars. Okay. Anyways, next time I'll probably do a watching TV video and probably just showing around the house, and then probably just showing how the Roombas work. And it's kind of sad that I have to end the video. Anyways, half an hour? You guys been watching me for half an hour? Anyways, bye! Like and subscribe for more videos with more rice and stuff. Bye!